Hello, and welcome to my channel, Shanette for Life. My channel is about my whole food, plant-based lifestyle transformation. I'll be sharing with you food preparation, easy plant-based meals, desserts, and snacks. I'll also be doing grocery hauls, motivational live streams, workout routines, and so much more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I will be showing you how I made my simple but delicious hearty vegetable soup in my crock pot. Here are all the ingredients that I'll be using to prepare my soup. I am going to be using 5 gold potatoes, a 16-ounce frozen bag of mixed vegetables that comes with carrots, corn, peas, and green beans, some tomato sauce, some low-sodium vegetable broth, I'm going to be using some onion powder, some black pepper, and some sea salt. I'm also going to be using some cabbage and also some kale greens. We are now going to be adding everything to the crock pot. I'm now adding a little bit of cornstarch and water to my soup just to thicken it up just a little bit because I don't like it really soupy, but I don't like it too thick. Thanks for watching. The ingredients will be listed in the description box below. I will see you guys on my next upload. Everyone stay safe and blessed.